When I was young, I used to think when I grow older, man, I'll be having everything with me. But I'm still looking. Anyway, I'm grateful for where I am at the moment. I thank the universe. It has brought me from far until where I am now, and it's because of hard work, hope, perseverance, resilience, and a dream to always excel despite the odds. Why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this because when I was young, we never had anything. I had to come to Nairobi and live with my brother, work for my school fees. Thank you, brother. You gave me the opportunity and you showed me hard work pays. So I had to work for my school fees during the holidays. By doing what? Taking care of my brother's daughter so that the house girl can go home or have a holiday. When school closes, she will come home and then I go to school and my brother will get to pay my school fees. I worked hard, man, and I earned it. And there was a time I got lost when I was coming from school. I used to study at a school called Solian. And I took a matatu from Solian to Nairobi. My brother lived in Nairobi. And my brother used to tell me, no one gets lost if you have a mouth. He used to tell me, Chebo, if you get lost, the only person I am allowing you to talk to is a policeman. So I had gotten lost this time. That's a story for another time. I got lost, talked to the police, they took me home. My auntie's son told me, I want to take you to town and show you the stage. Now we call it the bus stop, where when you come back from school, you don't get lost. Okay. I asked permission from my sister-in-law. I boarded a matatu. In that matatu, there was this beautiful, beautiful girl. She was wearing very nice pair of pants. They were cargo pants. They had pockets on the side. I'm like, one day I'll be like her. I'll also have my cargo pants like her. Green, actually, to be precise. It was green. It was no different camouflage. It was green. That was when? Around 91. Yeah, around there, 91. I looked at her and I said in my heart, I said, one day, Chebo, I'm going to wear this. I'm going to work hard. I just thought I will finish high school, join university, finish university, get a job. So I said, one day when I'll get a job and I'm going to buy a pair of pants like that. Who told you? Look at me. I got pants now. The ones that I want. Although it's not cargo pants, they were good pants. I'm wearing them. I didn't know that I was going to do it, but I had a belief that one day I'll wear. So, hard work pays, dreams pays, resilience and persistence pays. It might take you a longer time, but you will one day arrive there. I am a strong believer that when we have a dream or a goal to achieve, no matter how long it takes, if you are persistent, if you are resilient, if you are hardworking, the universe will conspire to make that dream come true. Don't you think?